Manu, welcome to Backward Point.
Thank you
This
guys
has
for having me.
been a long time coming. I never thought we'd have you in person. So like क्या मतलब जिंदगी की करनी होती है bro.
It's strange, like I apparently only do cricket podcasts, so here I have like no, but I've been following you guys for a really long time. It's one of my favorite pods, so happy to be here. I was in town, so करनी थी फिर.
हाँ, inshallah, बिल्कुल. This was one of those things where like when you reached out and we like connected, I could not believe like the fact that we were talking to you because you basically soundtracked my entire pandemic and post-pandemic life. Like I don't know a world before Manu in musical terms. Like it's crazy. Like your albums, your songs, and then now that you're sitting in front of me, it's like, you know, we had the whole car ride here. I was pinching myself. I was like,
It's also interesting, like we met you in the Navy concert, मगर लग रहा था कि हम लोग पहले तो नहीं मिल रहे.
Yeah, I swear, ऐसे लग रहा था. Yeah.
We're just picking up back.
I feel like our internet pe, if you're consuming each other's content enough, so you kind of feel like you know each other. Nahin.
I think
At
so.
least I guess long form में.
I guess, yeah, but I don't really do long, like what are songs aren't really content though.
But albums are.
But I feel like I've heard you guys speak enough ke like, matlab, you've obviously not heard me speak, you've only heard me sing, but मैंने आप लोगों को इतना बोलते हुए सुना हुआ है कि मुझे idea है कि like कौन क्या है. So yeah, it did feel that way as well.
No, I appreciate you coming here. I appreciate you hanging out with us today. And I'm really excited about what we have in
These
store.
guys got me a fresh fade.
Yeah, shout out
to
Rove.
Rove
Sheer
and
brilliance.
brilliance.
Ajax.
Sponsored by Backward Point.
Bro,
All guests get a free fade. अब से.
You are
this is-
faded.
this is a Manu special only. Only Manu gets this. Yeah, shout out to Rove, man. He pulled up on a Sunday. Really appreciate that.
Okay.
He's 100% listening now.
Legend. Yes.
Legend.
Listening to Doob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
काफी लोग बोलोगे यार Manu is a singer. Why is he on a cricket podcast? So tell us about your affiliation with cricket. Like, what is your earliest memory of watching cricket?
My earliest memories, I have a really bad memory, yaar, mujhe nahi pata, but I've been like, matlab, my family, like everyone in my family is a huge cricket fan. So it was always a big thing growing up. Sab match dekhte the, khelna bhi chahta tha. To ek wo wala scene tha ki like bachpan se hi. But I feel like, matlab, when I was like, probably like once I started like walking and running and stuff, to tab se mujhe bas tha ki bas bat ball. So I've been watching and tab se, but now I have a very unhealthy relationship with all sports in the sense that they take up a lot of time in my life and I get nothing back from it. So that's where we are at now.
That
Ab
is-
to bas cricket se dil ut gaya mera bas.
The
This
essence
is
of
my
that. This is
final cricket podcast.
You can't say that
I'm
on Backward
retiring
Point.
from the cricketing world.
You cannot say that on this podcast because we have gone through
Just said it.
this podcast has gone through 2023 ODI World Cup, 2024 T20 World Cup, 2025 Champions Trophy in person in Dubai, and now this T20 World Cup. Jo aaj subah, you know, slap on our faces, India has convincingly won again.
Mubarak.
So this is not the podcast where we go down. We don't go down with the ship. We
I'm
rise the
going
ship.
down,
But
bro.
जब भी आप as a Pakistan man retire होते हो ना, they do something crazy. Like कुछ जीत जाएंगे,
अरे जीत
कुछ
जाएंगे।
upset कर देंगे.
ODI World Cup जीत जाएंगे अब वो
Con.
Pakistan cricket team. They'll win it and then you'll be back.
Oh wow, guys, you guys are so cute.
यार हमारा
यार.
धंधा है.
कनाडा आके फुल उस तरह से हो गए like हाँ हम जीतेंगे एक दिन आएगा हमारा ये नहीं होएगा. It's gone. It's
So
over.
it's not. We'll come to that.
The dream is over.
The dream is not done yet. The dream is done.
Done.
It's done for the day, but it's not done forever as it stands. Did you play cricket when you were young?
Yeah.
Like academy
Not-
वगैरह?
नहीं academy वगैरह नहीं. Like for fun. And फिर वो एक time था like I feel like in school where everyone started playing football
Yeah.
and that became like the cool thing to do.
Yeah, burger schools में ऐसे होता है.
तो मैं भी कुछ ऐसी ही एक इंस्टीट्यूशन में पढ़ता था तो उधर फिर मैंने खेलनी शुरू की उसमें मैं बहुत बुरा था तो फिर मैं स्पोर्ट्स से ही दिल ही उठ गया फिर मैंने गिटार पे जाना शुरू कर दिया.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good pivot.
Yes, I guess, yeah.
Were you self-taught in guitar or like did you take lessons?
I had a friend, one of my friends who's like a big brother to me, Zain Pizada. He's also like my tour manager, like my road manager. Not my tour manager, and he also like he's a director. He shot a lot of my music videos and stuff. तो वो गिटार बजाता था तो अभी भी बजाता है मतलब था नहीं लेकिन तो he taught me like the few like कुछ basics वगैरह but उससे भी पहले like again like cricket like मेरी family में music का भी like everyone really appreciated music. My dad sings really well तो एक ये चीज़ थी कि लाइक मुझे पियानो उससे पहले थोड़ा बहुत सिखा दिया था, लाइक उस्ताद वगैरह रख के, क्लासिकल सिंगिंग भी थोड़ी सी सीखी थी, बट तो हाँ, this was something that was like being fed in my brain. I was being brainwashed to become a musician, basically. I didn't choose this life.
The life chose you.
Yes.
As your young and very short cricket career, what did you do? Like fast bowling, spin, batting?
Batting.
Still batting.
बॉलिंग
तो तुम्हारी
थोड़ी
height you should
एंड
be a
में
fast
थोड़ी
bowler.
वट्टा ही रहेगी ब्रो मतलब कभी खत्म नहीं हुआ मतलब एंड तक मुझे लगता था कि मैं कराता था मुझे आके कोई कहता था ब्रो वट्टा करा रहे हैं तो मैं कहता था तू झूठ बोल रहे हैं ये सब मुझे मिल के पागल बना रहे हैं हो ही नहीं सकता कि ये वट्टा है मैं ठीक है मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरा बाजू ठीक है बट था
वैसे उस्मान तारिक भी यही बोलता है.
हाँ एक्चुअली मेरी 2 एल्बोज हैं
तुम्हारी 2 elbows.
तो खैर बुरी बात लेकिन नहीं बैटिंग शैटिंग का मजा आता था.
Did you ever transition to like hardball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abhi bhi like I feel like I enjoy playing hardball more because tape ball is anneva was chikdo type. Hardball mein thoda sa zara zyada I feel like there's more to the game, but I just really don't play often enough to have like a favorite like itni nahi hum khel.
Then we'll have to take you to Yashi Sports. to check you out.
Yash.
Yes.
Canada's home of cricket.
Pay you before you say those words. No, but we'll take you to the nets and we'll figure it out.
I feel like हम लोग एक ही era के almost हैं. तो like we grew up watching like Afridi and Shoaib Akhtar and Shoaib Malik and Yunus Khan. तो तुम्हारी भी like cricketing heroes वही थे.
Did you have any posters on your wall?
No, but I used to be a huge like Shoaib Akhtar fan. मैं वो full वो वाला like run up भी practice करके वो bowling करता था like action replicate करने की कोशिश करता था. Afridi was obviously like
man.
Lala was Lala. वो and उसके अलावा कौन था उस time पे? I feel like when there was Afridi, he was just Afridi.
Yeah.
Like we didn't have a lot of heroes in the team. Kind of always had a soft spot for Misbah, even though मतलब really pisses you off sometimes as well. But ये लोग थे. And then I think I kind of like dissociated from cricket for a while. And I started watching around like 2020 type.
Why did you dissociate?
Funny, but
Did something happen?
no, I think probably what happened was like, matlab, I don't know. But I remember like 2009 World Cup तक तो मैं देखता था.
Yeah.
I remember जब हम जीते थे तो हम सड़कों पे निकले थे जाके भंगड़े शंगड़े डाले थे वो सब कुछ याद है मुझे बट उसके बाद I don't know I think like it wasn't like anything उस तरह
Like
से
कोई
just-
ऐसा match था तुमने कहा यार अब heartbreak हो गया अब मैंने
Because a lot of people turned off after that 2011 semi-final. Like my mom was a huge cricket fan. 2011 semi-final after that.
Maybe it was that. But then I also remember watching that Asia Cup final था semi-final था जिसमें अफरीदी ने और अश्विन को
It was a Super 8 का था शायद.
Group match था.
Group match था.
oh wow
Yeah.
see the memory makes it sound so legendary
Yes.
कि वो final
Final
था
था. Yeah. Super over.
wow
Apni ball.
लेकिन
It was a Super 8 match. That Asia Cup
wow.
Pakistan lost. 2014 I believe,
Yeah,
right?
we lost to Sri Lanka in the final.
Yeah.
even the wins are underwhelming like
Yeah.
at this point मतलब
Ironically, we've only won two Asia Cups. एक 2000 में I believe and एक 2012 में under Misbah like you said. That's it.
I don't remember and then I just stopped watching I don't know why.
What brought you back to the dark side?
पता नहीं like I feel like मेरी खाला like we live in this like joint family sort of system my khalas and like me and my dad and we all live in the same house so one of my khalas is like super into cricket तो वो देखती रहती थी तो कभी कभार उनके साथ मैं देख ही लेता था and then I think like the 2021 World Cup वो वर्ल्ड कप होता था तो कोई बंदा देख ही लेता था बट नॉट लाइक आई रिमेंबर लाइक 2017 चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी फाइनल में
Oh,
शुक्र है मैंने देखा था सो
Hmm.
लाइक वो भी मेरी एक है मेमोरी बट अगेन दैट वाज़न्ट अ टाइम वेयर आई वाज लाइक रियली फॉलोइंग द टीम लाइक उस तरह से और मुझे पता हो फिर 2021 वाले वर्ल्ड कप में फिर से देखना शुरू किया दैट वाज अ ग्रेट रन टू लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ फॉलो एज अ फैन
Definitely.
and yeah and then that's when like we were like sold this dream of what was about to become the new like say, golden generation or ये और वो और बस अब मैं नहीं देखूंगा
Where maybe hopefully by the end of this conversation we'll bring you back.
नहीं I hope I bring you to where
To the
I
dark
am.
side.
Yeah.
I doubt that. Again, dhanda hai. We gotta keep talking about cricket.
Start a music podcast
Yeah.
पांच ही तो आर्टिस्ट है पाकिस्तान में. We keep calling the same five people.
cricketer कौन से was
That's true.
मतलब
ये
को
बात
काम
भी
के
सही
कितने हैं
ये बात भी सही है. Bro, they listen to the podcast. You should know this. Yeah, you should know that they all
I didn't
do it.
name which one I'm talking about.
That's true.
It's not like I'm saying some like alt opinion or something. This is how everyone feels right now. It's not like I want to feel this way.
Yeah.
I want to be happy, but give me something to be happy about, like for a change.
What about the golden generation let you down?
Yeah, watching the 2024 World Cup was fun, but it also like kind of felt like we didn't deserve to be there because so many things happened that will never sort of happen again.
You mean 2022 World Cup, the final?
2022, sorry, yeah. Tab tak I was still bored. Then like we sort of like people started understanding. It became a part of like our cricket discourse. कि like bro, attacking cricket होती है, हम outdated cricket खेल रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं. फिर वो सबको समझ आने में इतनी देर लग गई कि like बस इतना अब हम पीछे रह गए हैं उस सेंस में like कि अब हम कोशिश करते भी हैं, हम कुछ छोटा सा हम खुश हो जाते हैं कि आज हमने 13 बॉल्स पे 40 मारी है, ये किया वो किया, क्योंकि अच्छी बात है बट नहीं कर सकते यार हम. बट मैं ऑल्सो लाइक ये मैंने पिछली लाइक एक क्रिकेट पॉडकास्ट पे भी यही बोला था कि लाइक आई फील लाइक हम इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं पाकिस्तान जैसे मुल्क से और पाकिस्तान जैसी क्रिकेट टीम से. लाइक ब्रो मतलब वी डू ओके फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, एट लीस्ट वी हैव presence somewhere in the world, like on a global stage. Like, although I know there's a lot of money with PCB and stuff, but it's a self-built sort of organization उस sense में भी as well. तो अच्छा है, कुछ तो है. और कोई है चीज जिसमें like मतलब हम compete कर रहे हैं पूरी दुनिया के साथ? कोई sport है? नहीं.
Javelin throwing. Shout out Arshad Nadeem.
एक बंदा compete कर रहा है, वो एक बंदा कर रहा है,
25 करोड़
हम लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं. वो उसके लिए हम भी क्रेडिट नहीं ले सकते कहीं के हमने हेल्प की हो उस इंसान की. क्रिकेट में मतलब हाँ थोड़ा बहुत अब म्यूजिक में अब हो रहा है, लाइक मतलब एटलीस्ट इट्स इन लाइक ग्लोबल कॉन्वर्सेशंस में आ रहा है म्यूजिक पाकिस्तानी. उसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं है. तो ये भी है तो खुश होना चाहिए. जो एक चीज मतलब थोड़ी सी है उसको गिराने की जगह कुछ और चीजों को थोड़ा बेहतर कर सकते हैं.
I think you and like a few others that I can think of, Hassan Raheem, the Stunners kids, those are probably like
Stunners kids.
Stunners kids, nahi? Is that not name? Youngsters?
YS.
YS. They're probably like the pioneers of this like new generation of pop music, and so like you understand the weight and like sort of the struggle that comes with like building your own lane. Because ye lane pehle nahi thi for you guys. You guys actually had to come and carve it. I guess for these newer cricketers who that are trying to come in and play this modern style of cricket, they actually have to sort of kill the old way and make their own way. The Saim Ayubs, the Farhans of the world. And it's tough. Like, I feel for them as well. Like, बहुत सारे बाबे PCB में अभी भी बैठे हुए हैं जो ये इस टाइप की क्रिकेट को मतलब नहीं समझते. I remember there was a point, I don't know which game I was watching. Ramiz Raja was on comms. Ramiz Raja has been on comms since I feel like 1996. Like, जब से मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ. And there was a moment, I think one of the players, like maybe it was Mohammad Nawaz, someone played a really fantastically quick innings, like 12 ball 40, जैसे तुम कह रहे हो, out हो गया. And Rambo says on the comms, his innings had just started. He should have taken it deep. I'm like, that is the problem
Amir
right there.
Sohail's favorite line.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, exactly. And that's the problem right there, I feel like. It's like, you know, when I play like music to my dad and like, you know, वो जूना चल रहा होता है, for example, Hassan Raheem का, बस like, ये क्या बोल क्या रहा है ये? I don't get it. And that's the divide. And in order to make it into this modern world, I feel like you have to sort of blur those lines and make it your own. And these cricketers have an uphill battle. That's why I support them, even though जो भी हुआ है, I'm not a huge fan of it.
I also think like we have expectations of the players because हमारी 250 million की population है, उसमें हमारे एक sport है cricket,
Yeah.
and we have a lot of funding in that sport. It's just managed poorly. So we think if it's better managed, if there's better coaching, if there's better domestic setup, our players can actually go out there and perform well. लेकिन वो जो admin level पे काम हो रहा है ना, वो खराब हो रहा है.
And I agree with that. And I'm saying for where we are as a country, I think we do decently well. Like we're not. Pakistan is मतलब सुपर 8s में आ जाता है, सेमीफाइनल मतलब हम लोग फाइनल में भी को बहुत कुछ 15 साल पहले थोड़ी थे, मतलब कुछ 4 साल ही हुए हैं इस
Yeah.
बात को. लाइक मतलब so we're not like super far from it either. It's fine, it's cute. It's a cute little team. खेलते हैं, आते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, चले जाते हैं.
But we can't make the same like comparison.
I don't like, I'm not off from cricket because of like, oh, these players are so bad. I'm not blaming the players. It's just बस उम्मीद जाग जाती है ना जब आपका अपना, मतलब मैं फुटबॉल भी देखता हूँ, यूनाइटेड फैन हूँ, ठीक है वो हारते भी हैं, होता है, बड़ा अफसोस होता है, लेकिन मैनचेस्टर कहाँ, मैं लाहौर में बैठा हुआ हूँ। ये तो आपका अपना मुल्क हारता है ना, तो बड़ा लाइक आपको शर्मिंदगी होती है कि यार शिट.
I remember when we met for the first time, it was your show in Toronto on the 14th of February. And 15th ki subah, Pakistan India ka match tha. And you were hyped. I don't know what you were on, but you were like, bro, abhi chalo, abhi live karna hai. ठीक है?
Little thing called hope.
Yes. And I was like, damn, bro, like Manu believes. And this is a very contrasting Manu that I'm meeting from in
Guys,
2
I
weeks.
just I got off stage from the biggest show of my life.
Yes.
Sold out. It was the adrenaline speaking. I was मैं कुछ भी मैं कह सकता था, सबको मैं प्यार देता, love you हो रहा था.
Man, I felt it. And then when I came on the live next morning, I was like, Manu ne bol diya, hum jeet rahe. And the craziest thing is, like, on your show that night, we met a lot of like Backward Point fans, cricket fans. हर बंदा आके कह रहा था, ब्रो क्या होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. ब्रो मारू
इतना
ने
झूठ
बोल
बोला है
दिया.
लोगों को, उसने इतना झूठ बोला है. कह रहे उस्मान तारा के 5 आउट है, साइम अयूब की सेंचुरी हो रही है, बाबर की कमबैक आ रही है.
Now that's what I feel bad about, for being in public. You know, when Rashid Latif said on his caught behind show कि यार मुझे टीवी पे जाकर झूठ बोलना पड़ता है कि पाकिस्तान जीतेगा after India lost. And I was like, I get it.
झूठ तो बोलना पड़ता है.
Yeah, you gotta support the man. I think your heart is torn also because you're like, yes, you are a Pakistan cricket fan, but you're also a Man U fan, like you mentioned.
Yeah,
बंदा कहाँ जाए?
double jeopardy.
Yeah, where do you go?
आजकल तो यूनाइटेड के थोड़े बेहतर हालात चल रहे हैं, हम थर्ड हैं इस वक्त, आई थिंक, बट आई मेक म्यूजिक, ऑल ऑफ इट इज सैड. नाउ यू नो व्हाई.
Everything is melancholic.
How did you land as Man U as your football team? Like, how did you know कि यार ये मेरी टीम है?
बचपन में अगेन कोई था मेरा, आई थिंक अगेन जैन, जिसकी मैं पहले बात कर रहा था, इज बीन लाइक अ बिग ब्रदर फिगर इन माय लाइफ. तो वो जो भी वो करता था, वो गिटार बजाता था, मैंने गिटार बजाना था, उसको यूनाइटेड पसंद था. आई थिंक बच्चों को तो एक ही आपका एक होता है, वो एक कोई बॉय जो आपको लगा देता है एक टीम पे. उसके अलावा मैं एक लॉयल इंसान हूँ, तो मैंने कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ा अपनी क्लब का.
This is why it's shocking that you're like PCT is down for me.
तो
right
मैं
now.
ये तो नहीं कह रहा कि मैं इंडिया का फैन हो गया हूँ या कुछ, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि बस खुद ही करो
तो you're from
अपना,
Lahore.
support yourself.
Yeah, support yourself. Self love.
तुम हो लाहौर से, तो what is your PSL team? Because you also made an anthem for Multan Sultans, you work with them. What team do you actually support?
My true team is Qalandars, obviously. यार मतलब अपना, that's the closest that I've ever felt. Like sports में जो एक होता नहीं है कि आपके अपने शहर का कोई क्लब हो या कोई टीम हो, किसी टूर्नामेंट में एक होम क्राउड environment हो. Like we were at that Qalandar United game जब डेविड वीसा ने वो याद है वो वाला मैच,
Yeah.
लाइक आई थिंक कोई क्या
24 का, right?
क्वालिफायर था या एलिमिनेटर था, आई थिंक, जिस पे
2024.
बारिश भी हो रही थी और यूनाइटेड चेज करने ही लगा था और वीजा का ओवर आ गया था, उसने आके सबको आउट कर लिया था. नहीं याद आप लोगों को? आप लोग क्रिकेट पॉडकास्ट चलाते हो, पक्की बात है? क्या
हाँ,
कर रहे हो?
मुझे याद है.
हाँ
अच्छा
ठीक है,
match था
शुक्र है,
वो.
अच्छी बड़ा मजा आया. तो बारिश हो रही थी. तो बहुत खैर क्रेजी सीन था, एकदम से वीसा ने लाइक वो हैवी कमबैक फॉर द एजेस मारा था और पूरा क्राउड लाइक, सो दैट लाइक आई लव कलंदर सीन ऑन है उन लोगों का. But I worked with Multan, so they have a special place in my heart. I really like watching United play because of the way that they play. बाकी मुझे बस थोड़ी सी नहीं जी, सब बहुत अच्छी हैं.
You never know who calls.
Anthem चाहिए हो आपको तो बताएं आप.
Tomorrow, what is your best experience of watching a match in Pakistan? Because you've been to the Pindi Stadium, Multan, and you're from Lahore. तो सबसे ज़्यादा enjoy तुमने कहाँ पे किया?
Pindi.
Pindi.
Pindi is the most fun. अगर
Why
आप
is that?
यार it's a very small stadium. So and जो फील्ड है ना वो और बैठने की जगह है सारी, वो उसके बीच में गैप बहुत छोटा है. एंड सो इफ यू हैव लाइक द जो क्या वो पीसीबी टेरेस वाली होती हैं सीट्स और समथिंग, तो आप लिटरली वहां बैठे होते हो जहाँ से कैमरा शूट कर रहा होता है आपका मेन एंगल, तो यू लिटरली लाइक आपके नीचे से बॉलर जाता है भागने के लिए.
Okay.
So you really feel like you're in on the action, and also because it's such a small ground, it's a high scoring ground, so the games are always much more fun as well.
Yeah.
That's the best. Lahore is also really enjoyable. Lahore is enjoyable.
Did you go to Lahore once it got renovated? Abhi recently?
Yeah, I went. अभी क्या देखने गया था? टेस्ट मैच देखने गया था.
Damn.
कौन सा था अभी टेस्ट
Against
मैच?
South Africa?
साउथ अफ्रीका ही था ना?
Yeah, that was the last series.
Yeah, वो देखने गया था एक दिन. उसके अलावा भी आई थिंक PSL जब हुई है तो रेनोवेटेड था, तो तब भी आई थिंक एक तो मैचेस देखने गया था. इट्स अ नाइस लाइक वो, बट इट्स आल्सो लॉस्ट इट्स वो नहीं.
जो छज्जे
हाँ यार वो बड़ी आइकॉनिक वो थी, बट चलो कुछ बेहतरी होगी.
कुछ और ही
अल्लाह
लगा
ने
दें, छत ही
कुछ
लगा दें
अच्छा
पहली
सोचा
बार.
होगा. हाँ
छत लगा दें पहले, तो बाकी आइकॉनिक बाद में कर लेंगे.
धूप पड़ती है, लगा तो लेनी चाहिए छत, बट चलो कुछ तो बना दिया उन्होंने.
That's true. I envy you for having a team that you can support locally, because as Karachiites, it's tough out here, man. It's really tough.
Glad I'm not.
We have to support Islamabad.
Yeah,
Can't relate.
Yes, it's
Imagine being a Karachi Kings supporter.
Bro,
guys.
imagine, like,
Imagine, yeah.
I sometimes try to
What
imagine.
the hell?
Like when they got Warner back, I was like, am I a Karachi Kings fan? And then I realized, no, I'm not.
I think we stopped supporting Karachi when Babar left to Zalmi. फिर उसके बाद इमाद, आमिर, शोएब मलिक, शरीद खान.
The trifecta, the trinity.
वो एक बड़ी वैसे
कहते
like
थे
villain
snake-
arc.
Snake Elevens.
Bro, these guys will never come on our podcast. This is why.
कोई नहीं सुन रहा.
But it was like, it's tough, man. Look, we want to support Karachi, but they just pull some of these moves that it's like, it's hard to do that. And that's why I envy people.
Their kits are real. Their color scheme is so. What's your least favorite color scheme?
In the purple and gold, shiny gold is really bad. Quetta Gladiators.
I don't mind that.
Anything shiny is like bad. Is bad.
Acha, I don't
मुझे
mind that.
बलतान का gradient पसंद नहीं आता. They had the gradient. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I don't like gradients, and I also don't like green and blue. Is क्या कर रहे हो यार?
Yeah, it's
इतना
tough
तो
color.
मतलब थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
सोचो.
I think
think
Zalmi's is
Zalmi की
the
बेस्ट होती हैं
best.
किट्स.
Black and gold.
और दूर से अच्छी लगती हैं.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा कलंदर्स की यार क्या वो स्पाइडरमैन टाइप किटें.
Bro, लाहौर का मैप है वो, easy.
एक दिन उन्होंने मैप डाल दिया था एक सीजन
मैप है सर वो लाहौर
कभी
का.
अगर डेविड वी से गुम जाए तो यू देख लेगा.
कब मैं
You
हूँ
are
किधर?
here. Really, really bad. Yeah, really disappointing. Islamabad be like, gee, मजा नहीं.
Can I take your take on the Pindis?
I roll my eyes for
Bro, call us.
for
कभी भी.
people listening on bro Pindis.
The Pindis.
Oh. अभी भी time है.
नहीं, अब time नहीं है. Bro, they've doubled down. The problem is that they're like, no, this is the future of sports marketing.
It would be really challenging writing an anthem for them, because what rhymes with Pindis?
Pindis. It doesn't help. That doesn't help.
Sindhis.
But they're not
Sindhis
even
and
in
Pindis.
Eating
Yeah.
Wendy's.
Yeah, that's not the vibe. I know we know the general manager of the Pindis. He used to work at Islamabad when we were there. Very nice guy, very smart guy, Haris, right? And
Did he name them?
he named them, yes. He named the Pindis and he doubled down on it.
तू कुछ समझाया नहीं कुछ.
Yeah, I don't think I'm in a position to send that message.
बंदा को messages fake account से भेज देता है वो Finsta.
Bro, I feel like he's heard it enough. The fact that he had to come out and talk about
तो
it.
क्या कर रहे हैं? Like, why don't they just change it? It's not a good name.
It's like, every other franchise has a city and a thing next to it. हम लोगों ने, norm तोड़े. But you don't break
Good
norms.
thing about like
Yeah. Like, if it isn't broken, don't fix it, right? That's what they try to
And
do.
I would just take the out, Facebook का नाम was पहले the Facebook. And
Yeah.
they said, cut the the out.
Cut
It's
that
such a Pakistani thing to do. The Facebook. The Pindis.
And then what about Hyderabad, Houston, Kingsman? You went to Houston recently for your tour as well. Nice people there.
Yeah, sweet. Isn't fun.
Do you think it's nice enough to have a whole PSL team named after them?
I mean, sure.
They also bought a team in the
Sucks for
CPL.
them. I don't have to support them.
Yeah.
Unless they
bought a
come
team in the
knocking.
CPL.
Huh?
They bought a team in the CPL. It's going to be called Hyderabad, Houston, Jamaica, Kingsman.
Is that true?
No.
Okay. See, this is how fake news is reported. Speaking of anthems, why aren't there any good cricket anthems?
देखो मैंने जो बनाया वो तो अच्छा
नहीं, I'm yours aside. Something on the side.
Yeah, I think anthems. I hate the concept of anthems. Anthems, when you're making a song for the purpose of it being an anthem, it will always sound a bit corny to you.
Yeah.
Because if you just make a song and it ends up becoming an anthem, then that wo Arif Lohar wala wo tenu mauj karama.
Yeah.
That was just a song. That's the most anthemic song that I've ever heard playing in a cricket stadium. Like ever nahi, but in a really long
get what you
time.
mean.
So I feel like when you try to like reverse engineer shit and you're like, yeah, मैं एक anthem बनाऊंगा अपनी team के लिए, like that's not the way it works. Like at least पता नहीं, या तो आपके इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्ट्स में आपके नेशनल एंथम्स होते हैं और बाकी लाइक डोमेस्टिक लाइक जो भी फ्रेंचाइज लाइक फुटबॉल भी हो तो उसमें लाइक यूनाइटेड का भी ग्लोरी ग्लोरी मैन यूनाइटेड है तो वो क्राउड चांट है जो कि बस चलता आ रहा है, लाइक कोई यूनाइटेड का हर सीजन नया गाना नहीं आता.
Yeah.
इट्स जस्ट अ लिटिल सिली एज वेल
Yeah.
कि क्या कर रहे हो मतलब. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक बिकॉज द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक
Corny.
silly, yeah.
But-
It's an ad. It's
Yeah,
not
I
an
get it.
anthem.
It's like a marketing budget में
Yeah.
आपको चाहिए एक anthem. So now, like, at the same time, like Islamabad United, like, what are you doing? Like, you know, अगर सब बना सकते हैं, then call the guy. He's right here.
रंग जीत
Um,
करा ले.
Yeah, we know that for sure. I feel like our anthems जो stadium में बजते हैं that resonate with the fans are still those like 90s के Jazba Junoon, Dil Dil Pakistan.
है कोई हम जैसा.
है कोई हम जैसा might be like the oldest / newest one that is still
वो
like
बहुत
resonating.
फिट है बट वो नहीं लगता, बहुत कम लगता है वो स्टेडियम.
Yeah.
We grew up in the era of like the ABN AMRO Cup, जिसमें like Karachi Dolphins
I
versus
remember that. Yeah.
Salford Stallions.
Loins.
Loins, yes.
We would go to watch those matches in Karachi, and the AO chant,
That was
the
a huge
entire
thing.
crowd would be singing that.
बहुत iconic था. वो उसको क्या 2003 World Cup 6?
2003 World Cup.
3.
And like, as someone who obviously has made anthems and makes music for a living, like, what is in those anthems that resonates still today, and why aren't we able to replicate that kind of magic again?
one of the examples you're quoting is ये है कोई हम जैसा, और उसके अलावा क्या?
Jazba Junoon, Dil Dil Pakistan.
Jazba Junoon was supposed to be a cricket anthem.
No, I think it was
I think
in
it
the
was a
Jinnah.
song on the
Again,
album.
ना.
वो
It's
बन
just
गया
हाँ,
anthem.
वो बन गया ना.
Yeah.
Dil Dil Pakistan भी, wasn't it on their album? Like,
It was an album track, yes.
yeah. So it's not a corporate sponsored like, hey, we are from this city, let's make a song about this. Those are just songs about Hai Koi Hum Jaisa has an anthemic sort of chant.
Yeah.
And uske alawa, like, it's very like हाँ हम जीतेंगे type vibes, but it can be sort of be about anything. Like, it's not के hey PSL आया नई बॉल कराऊंगा मैं और
Yeah.
8 टीमें 1 winner.
क्या क्या
ये
घुमाएंगे
वो,
हम,
मतलब
क्या क्या दिखाएंगे.
अब वो जो होती है ना लाइक ब्रांड्स की जो भेजते हैं ना, वो आपको एक लिस्ट भेजते हैं कीवर्ड्स की. जब आप कोई भी लाइक ब्रांडेड काम करें, इट्स नॉट स्पेसिफिक फॉर एंथम्स और एनीथिंग, बट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक म्यूजिक वाला कमर्शियल वर्क दैट यू डू, दे सेंड यू लाइक कीवर्ड्स की लिस्ट. And if you read those keywords, and then they'll, in that same brief, they'll be like, hey, but we don't want an ad, we don't want a jingle, we want a song. And then you're like, have you ever heard a song with these words in it? Like, and it's all like, वो लगता है ना, like vibe is the Gen Z word, और ये और वो. तो बस इसलिए है बुरा. I think again, like, कोई ना कोई आएगा, किसी ना किसी का कोई गाना जो कि बस वैसे ही एक बड़ा एक uplifting, एक chill सा गाना होगा, जो कि वो डाल लेंगे, वो फिर एक बन जाएगा एक ट्रेंड, that will become the next anthem उस तरह से. But I think this as a concept should be closed. Case closed. PSL, no more anthems, no more
Forever.
team anthems, nothing.
After the one that you make for Islamabad.
Maybe after this season I can make one for every team ताकि standardized हो, एक sound हो,
एक
एक
ही
सारी,
बंदा,
एक ही
yes.
बंदा mix master भी करेगा, sound अच्छी होगी,
Yeah.
और वो सारी टीमों के हों, और अब से लेके अगले जो 10 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है यही हो, पैसे बचाओ, वही कोई स्टेडियम्स में लगा लो वही पैसे,
Please, छत लगा
कोई
लो.
मर्च बना लिया करो, कोई
Please.
इस तरह की चीजें करो, कोई फन एक्टिविटीज बनाओ फैंस के लिए.
Yeah.
और वो वाले बस अच्छा आइडिया दिया.
In your opinion, what is like the great Pakistan anthem?
है कोई हम जैसा, for sure. I think because it's the happiest. Like Jazba Junoon also sounds like I could be going to war.
Yeah,
right
you
now.
probably are.
मतलब
I mean,
it's like
It's Junoon, right?
gunshot निकाल के मतलब मान जाओ, थोड़ा intense है वो.
Yeah.
So ये cute सा है, मतलब hey oh hey oh hey oh.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a cute melody. Yeah, it's nostalgic for me. Junoon wala is a bit like बच्चा तू आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, Amar and Jazba Junoon.
Yes, Shaheens.
I think mine is the Humse Ye Zamana by Call.
वो कैसा hard did that go?
That was the 2009 World Cup one
गा
for
के
Pepsi.
बताओ.
हमसे ये ज़माना
हाँ. Oh, दुनिया को है दिखाना हो. You haven't heard it? 2009 World Cup, bro. Call. This is like their one of their best ones. I also am surprised. Like, I feel like that 2009, 10, 12 generation of musicians, those bands, those artists, were the last to make quote unquote milli nagme, and then the newer lot is not making any of it. Anything?
Good, like who wants nationalist? Like, bro, there's lots of songs to be made about so many things in life.
Okay.
Last thing we need is to be making songs about हमारी सोनी धरती और ये बार मिली नगमे generally come in wartime.
Yeah.
That's the sort of concept of it as well. I feel like जितना आप दूर रखते हो ना म्यूजिक को from politics और इस तरह की चीजें, like if it's even like वो मिली नगमे में आपने also by the way अपनी बस तारीफ करनी है.
Yeah.
Like you really just want to make a song जिसमें आप सबको कह रहे हो we are so great और ये और वो, से बेहतर है या तो कुछ मतलब criticize something, even if you do it in like a not so blunt way, you do it in like a matlab, you find a nice subtle way to do it, or you just make music about so many other things. Like there's other things in life to also be proud
course.
of and be like us tarah se, and there's other aspects to your identity as well. Like Milli Nagma feels like a very like state driven sort of ek us tarah ka.
Yeah.
When you made the anthem for Multan, like, did you have complete creative freedom on like what you were making and how?
Oh
both
yeah,
was
yeah,
gonna-
for sure. Ali was a huge fan of Talal, and then Talal was like, I want to do it with Natasha and Manu, and like these are my friends. We are all like part of this like new wave sort of. And he was just like, hey, bro, I just want something pumpy. And उन्होंने भी हमें 3-4 कुछ words दिए थे जो कि obvious थे कि ये तो डालने ही है. But we had creative freedom with it. But again, like मतलब ठीक है, it sort of did the job for it. But again, I don't. मुझे अब ट्रॉमा है, लाइक अगर मुझे कोई आके दे मुझे फिर और ट्रॉमा दें, कोई मसला नहीं है, आई विल गेट पेड फॉर इट. बट बस मुझे अब कभी कभार ना डर लगता है कि मेरे पास कोई एक एंथम लेके आएगा, बस मुझे एक और आउटस्विंग का कोई मेटाफर बनाना पड़ेगा, एक नया तरीका बोलना पड़ेगा क्लीन बोल्ड कहने का, और बस इट्स लाइक कि मैं those are the moments where you really feel like, yeah, what a sellout. But
Yeah.
it's good because selling means cash inflow.
Cash inflow. What kind of chokehold does Ali's ever have on the PSL anthems?
Yes, I'm not in for
No next?
no comment.
No comment.
Next
So,
question.
We'll cut it out. So
No, don't cut it out. Let's keep
let's
it.
keep it. I'll skip the next.
Make sure that I said no
comments.
Yeah.
How do you rate his initial PSL anthems?
यार वो सीटी बजेगी बैंगर,
खेल जमेगा.
खीर जमेगा,
अब खेल जमेगा.
खेल जमेगा, yes.
So I'll skip my next question, which was, what chokehold does I Am a Big have on PSL anthem? Like, let's skip that
No
one as well.
comment. Yeah.
I like the Atif Aslam one, and I know Atif and you go way
Really,
back.
yaar, you like the Atif Aslam one?
I think maybe
Maybe
did you
because-
guys-
I'm glad,
did you-
yaar.
did you like
maybe
that?
it was just good, you
May-
know.
oh.
No. I think it was just really
It's
good.
really good.
I think
Yeah,
that's
objectively
it's
speaking.
like वो आगे देख के कितनी like वो 3-4 तरीके से आप 3-4 चीजें बोल रहे हो,
Yes.
एक ही चीज बार-बार.
बार-बार.
आके देख,
Wordplay.
आगे देख, आग है, देख.
Wow. Period. Ball drop. That's true. It doesn't get better than that.
लेवल है तो जीत से भी आगे देख.
Level है तो.
अगर
level
नहीं
है,
है तो पीछे देख.
What is your relationship with Atif Aslam?
Yeah, and I've been very fortunate enough to work with him many times. He's like my idol. I grew up listening to his music. I learned how to write songs by listening to his music. And now sometimes he takes out time to meet me and Hanan and some other people as well. Like is tarah se. He's very supportive. And yeah, just lucky to be around him sometimes.
You've written 3 songs that Atif has sang on. How does that feel?
It feels good, interesting. That's not something that when I started doing music or started dreaming about doing music, that's not really something that like writing for other people wasn't really something that I had ever planned to do. But I'm glad that if I ever did it, so it was for him. So it feels good. I think Shuru mein when first time I did it was kind of like okay, but when will I get the chance to work with him? But then it's been fun doing it for him because like it fits some hall hota hai, like matlab, and it's again me getting a chance to learn and be around like someone that I look up to so much. So
If you could tell, like,
I don't really think about that too much.
We're trying to
though,
make you
like,
think about it.
Yeah, like how do you think about 3 songs? What about the other 60 songs I've made?
Atif Aslam is like, for the longest time, I think in the past few years it's changed now because the new generation, you guys have come up and like genuinely changed the face of Pakistani music. But from 2006, 7 to 15, 18, 20, he was the face of
He's
Pakistani
the
music.
GOAT, bro.
Yeah.
He's
He's the
the
GOAT.
GOAT. He
Genuinely
always
the
will
GOAT.
be.
Always
He's
still
the
is, yeah.
best. Yeah.
And he was able to like do the whole crossing the border and like making the whole
And
music
took
scene.
over there as well.
Yeah,
completely
took over the industry there. Like he's one of the few samples that, like, you know, जिसके ऊपर आप career base कर सकते हो, कह रहे इस तरीके से career चाहिए. And then now, like, you get to not only work with him, for him, but write for him, and he sings your work. Like, I'm thinking it from your
And I feel
perspective.
like that's something that's happened. It's not like an ongoing thing. If it was like a regular thing and I was like meeting him every week or something, I feel like it would be more like us tarah se. But yeah, it's insane to like write for someone जिसके गाने सुन के ही आपने लिखना सीखा हो. It's kind of like a little full circle and you kind of like, are you serious? मैं like क्या हो रहा है? मैं तो आपसे like सीखा है लिखना, तो मैं क्यों लिख रहा हूँ? But so it's nice. These things are like, but again, I don't really think about this.
Have you ever talked about cricket to Atif? Because Atif, I think he played Pakistan under-19s. He mentioned one of his interviews.
Again, guys, like I've met him for like, we generally talk about music and you, but I don't really know him. Like he's my friend. Like, he's
outswing का कोई metaphor है आपके पास? अगर risk को इस तरह हम लोग
ये best होता है. वही खेली नहीं गई तरह से, क्यों सबको बता रहे हैं इस तरफ गई है, सबको नजर आ रही है बॉल, नहीं कर सब खेल के नहीं करते वो.
अब्दुल्ला शफीक does it a lot. He's like,
सभी करते हैं. नसीम भी आगे कर रहा होगा कि भाई तेरे से क्या कर रहा है bro. Love you यार.
Because there's also a parallel universe जहाँ पे Atif just pursues cricket और वो फिर music नहीं बनाता है.
Same thing with Manu. Like he goes to the academy.
I don't think I was that close to like, hey, I can either do cricket or music. Like I was just playing cricket like every other kid in Pakistan does. So I don't think it was really a crossroads us tarah se. But Atif wala, if he was actually that close to like doing cricket, playing cricket, so doing cricket is what you guys let's go. Lekin that would be interesting. But why would you want a world like that?
I wouldn't want that world. Bichara Atif. Like it would have been tough. I need his music to get through the cricket.
Yeah, exactly. And then what if we didn't like him because he was a cricketer?
That's true. That's
what if he broke our heart so many times that we were just like...
We have an Atif Aslam sob story. So
I don't think it's a sob story. It's just like... So...
मेरे friend के बारे में respectfully बात करना, ठीक है?
It's more like we were like the idiots. Champions Trophy, India versus Pakistan game in Dubai. We were in Dubai. We saw that game. Brilliant Virat Kohli century.
कितना मजा आया होगा.
Whoa. And we were about to leave and then we were like, yo, Virat is on 70. Like we should probably stay. Maybe he gets a century. Gets a century on the last ball. See an iconic Virat Kohli century.
अच्छा हम गए भी तो मैच पे ना फेस पेंट करा के पाकिस्तान जर्सी पहन के. हमारा एक दोस्त था ना, he brought a jacket.
Yo,
like, why did you pick a jacket?
He's a local, like he lives in Dubai.
तो कह रहा था कि तो बताऊंगा जैकेट क्यों लेके आया मैं. मैच खत्म हुआ, जैकेट से लोग क्यों कह जय हिंद और हमें गालियां पड़ रही हैं.
Yeah. And then so as I was leaving, I got a message from our mutual friend Azam Khan, and he was like, "Bro, boys, क्या scene है bro?" मैं कहा, "Bro, depression है अभी तो सिर्फ कह रहा आजा खाना खाते हैं." मैं कहा, "चलो ठीक है." So he took us out to this like really fancy place in like it was like under the Burj, like literally behind us. And we walk in, and he's like, "Yo, guys, Atif Aslam is here." I'm like, "Wait, which one? Which Atif Aslam?" He's like, "Bro,
which what kind of?"
You know, he said Atif Bhai is here.
Oh.
That's what he said. I was like, which Atif Bhai? He's like, "Bro, Atif Aslam is right here."
Yeah. Even then, like if someone says Atif Bhai, who else is coming to your
bro,
mind?
I didn't connect with Atif Rana. Fair enough. That's a good one. So like there he is, like his headphones, khana kha rahe hain, like phone. We said hi, we came back, and I was like, "Bro, that's Atif Aslam." And so I was like, "Bro, picture lenge, like in thodi der baad, like let him eat and everything."
But as you were going, his wife came in. Then he was having a dinner date with his wife.
Yes. So like we're like fine. We're talking to Azam like, "Bro, samjha hame, like what's going on? Like we're so sad." 15-20 minutes later, like Azam just does this and we don't clock it. And then hame baad mein realize hota hai ki he just left. I'm like, "Oh, there goes our picture and there goes our chance to talk to Atif Aslam." And that was it. Yeah. That's our sob story.
Azam क्या किया तूने यार भाइयों के साथ?
Azam, this is the first time I saw him be starstruck. He's like, "Bro, that's Atif Aslam."
Atif Aslam के साथ तो.
So, speaking of like, you know, obviously, mashallah, you like in the top of your game right now. You've met so many of your heroes, both musicians and probably cricketers as well. Has anyone stood out that has been like, I can't believe I just met this guy?
I think meeting Babar Azam was like very wow because of just the star power and like there was a time when he was on top of his game. Like वो खुशी बड़ी कम लोगों ने मुझे दी है बैटर्स में से कि like कुछ देख के ना कुछ ओए एक वो वाली जो फीलिंग है ना. तो meeting him, I met him once like randomly at इसी तरह like कोई मैच था and I asked Ali Tareen ke like please bro mujhe milwa de ye wo. He was sweet enough to like take a picture and
Did you
everything.
know who you were?
No.
Okay.
But it was really nice like उस sense में कि like damn that starstruck. उसके अलावा
Like any musicians, songwriters?
अच्छा back from back home.
Yeah, anyone. Like anyone
ऐसे
that's
कह रहा हूँ
big.
जैसे बाहर के किसी से मिला हूँ मैं.
Chris Martin तुम्हारा दोस्त है.
हाँ यार cousin है मेरा. लेकिन Atif Aslam. I think first time meeting all of these people that I like sort of grew up listening to. Atif Aslam, Zulfi bhai.
Strings probably.
Strings like Faisal bhai is like love him. And Ali Hamza, I was a huge Noori fan, but
Yeah.
like mainly Ali Hamza.
Yeah.
And he was one of the like earliest sort of people that I met, like when I was really starting out. And so him, तो वो हाँ मतलब but अब और है ही नहीं कोई पाकिस्तान में.
That's true. And the
बाकी जो है वो like हमारी like peers हैं और like दोस्त हैं type ये वो like तो.
I was just gonna say like now these people are your peers. Like Ali Hamza and like you guys both have Coke Studio songs.
Bro, like it's strange. Like when I started, though, I wasn't even dreaming this big. उस time पे like मेरा होता था. My ultimate dream was meeting Talal Qureshi, meeting Faris Shafi, meeting these people. Like Talal's like one of my bestest friends now.
Yeah.
So वो with ना वो time वो आप एक चीज करते हो then you're like अच्छा अब ये चाहिए मुझे फिर वो भी हो जाता है फिर ये चाहिए. देखते हैं ड्रेक भाई कब लिफ्ट आएंगे.
शहर में तो आए.
शहर में तो
That's a good point. Like you've now had like the
इफ्तारी पे बुलाएं यार ड्रेक भाई क्या हो गया.
उनके शहर में ही हम लोग हैं.
Come on यार.
So like now you've had like the most streamed song in Pakistan for 2 years in a row. What's next? Like अब क्या करना है अगला? अगला step.
मुझे नहीं पता bro. पता नहीं क्या करूँ अब क्या करूँ
Because
बताओ.
in a way like you've conquered a peak. Like you've reached a certain point.
I didn't like set out to conquer that peak उस तरह से like मतलब I don't think anyone expected that song to do what it's done. So बस सही है अब like I'm actively trying to put myself like in a place where I'm like not every song is gonna do that. Maybe you'll have a song like that 3 years from now. Maybe it'll be your next song. So I'm just, and again, like when we were making that song as well, like me and Abdullah Kasumbi, so we weren't planning on making like the next biggest song or yeah, ye gana ye hona chahiye, ya ye hona chahiye. We just made a song. Like we were in the studio, just made it in an hour sort of thing, like the initial idea of it. So I feel like that is something that I'm happy with. Us tarah se ki that sort of thing is something that I can keep doing over and over again because I don't really have control over it. I can just keep making music and then hopefully some songs stick and some don't. Like, but that's how it is for everyone. Like,
Were you surprised at how big Jhol got?
yeah, I mean, like, so sometimes like me and like my close family or like my team and like people like the people who have like heard unreleased songs regularly and stuff. और मैं भी हमें कभी कभार आइडिया होता है कि यार ये गाना थोड़ा हो सकता है चल जाए या ये गाना लाइक फॉर यू जब मेलनकोलिक जब बना था हमें थोड़ा सा आइडिया था. फॉर यू जब था हमें था थोड़ा सा आइडिया. तो झोल भी जब बना था लाइक हमारे पास गाना बना हुआ लाइक 2 साल के लिए पड़ा हुआ था बिफोर इट रिलीज.
Really?
Yeah.
So you had Jhol in the tank for like 2 years?
Yeah, for like half a year or almost a full year I just had it on my own. Then we started like working on it with Coke and Zulfi bhai and Abdullah and Talal and all of these people, Anurel, everyone. तो वो भी फिर होता रहा. फिर बीच में कोक स्टूडियो का पिछला सीजन थोड़ा जल्दी आना था वो डिले हो गया तो और कोई लाइक 6-8 महीने और बात आगे चलेगी. तो 2 साल से पड़ा हुआ था तो हमें था आइडिया कि ये होना है कि मतलब कुछ ना कुछ चलेगा. Like I believed in the song. Like you always, if you don't believe in the song, who's going to believe in the song, right? You have to be a little crazy about it. उस sense में. Feel like music is just like gambling. आप basically अपनी पूरी जो है लाइफ सेविंग नहीं बट अपनी कमाई जो है वो कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन द लाइन डाल रहे होते हो कि कुछ चल जाए. चल गया तो चल गया, नहीं चला तो ओके नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से आएंगे जुआरियों की तरह वापस आ जाएंगे. तो खैर we didn't know कि the song was going to do this well. But I don't think anyone did. Like it did some insane stuff.
Yeah, it's like
stats wise.
one of my favorite songs that has come out in this new era of Pakistan music. So
और इसको पंजाबी आती भी नहीं है.
I don't know what you guys are saying.
Sounds good.
I have no idea what you guys are saying, but it sounds great.
कोई ऐसा गाना है like who you thought कि यार इसमें potential है लेकिन it didn't do as well as you thought?
Every other song that I put out, bro. जो गाना नहीं चला हर गाने के बारे में मतलब आप गाना तो आपको अच्छा ही लग रहा होता है इसलिए आप निकालते हो. आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव एवर रिलीज्ड अ सॉन्ग दैट आई डिडंट लाइक उस तरह से. आई डिडंट थिंक लाइक दिस कैन वर्क समवेयर और बट बस इट्स अ like 1 out of 4 or 5 rule hai,
Yeah.
basically.
Do you think you'll be happy if Jhol ends up being the biggest song of your career, even when your career ends?
Not at all. I'll be so sad.
You'll be
Like,
pissed.
I'll be such an unhappy old grumpy man. Like, be a pain to be around. Like,
Really?
yeah.
Why? Because you had a song that
मैं
resonated.
अभी मतलब मुझे क्या like 6-8 साल 6-7-8 साल हुए हैं
Yeah.
ये करियर शुरू करते हुए. I'm still like young. Like, I have my whole career ahead of me. If I was able to do like my biggest song in the first 5-6 years of hopefully, inshallah, a 20-year long career,
Longer, hopefully.
so that's so bad, bro.
But the
That's
resonation,
so bad.
the way that the song has connected across the border,
तो
India में
और
चलता है.
resonate और इससे भी बड़ा हुए
inshallah, for sure.
inshallah.
I
think-
think your favorite band.
I was just gonna say that.
It's Goo Goo Dolls. Goo Goo Dolls का जो एक
Iris.
Iris
Yes.
is their biggest song. वो कुछ भी कर लें.
Like I've loved the Goo Goo
यार
Dolls.
ऐसी बातें ना करो bro.
No, I'm not trying to scare you, but like,
you are though.
am I?
like-
Okay. But
No,
Iris
but
is
I
like,
get what you're बताओ.
I've been a Goo Goo Dolls fan in Karachi, in St. Michael's Convent School since 2009. And like telling people like I like the Goo Goo Dolls. Can I say that on
No, I don't
bleep?
think.
I don't think I can say that. But I think I have to bleep it. But like I would get called names, right? And like I was like, that's fine. Whatever. Now, like full circle later, those same guys who used to bully me are having like Iris in their like Shadi ki videos and stuff like that. And I'm like, this is such a weird thing, especially because it is their biggest song and it is a really good song, but I like them for all these other things. I sometimes think about that from their perspective. These guys are like in their 60s now. And like their biggest song is the one that they released in 1998.
I think I would have been more scared of this if मतलब ये जब एल्बम बन रही थी और वो सारा सीन था ना तो सॉरी ये जब झोल निकल रहा था तो I'd already started working on like this album के like झोल के बाद like the next step should be like a album, especially like when it turned out to do so well. So I was like okay, I need to zone in and do this. तो उस पे एक गाना है सवेरा.
Yeah.
That again I had that feeling about that this song could blow up. This song could blow up nahi but do well like us tarah se. And it's done really well. Like back home and even for most of the shows on this tour, like I've been doing Savera as the encore song because people have been asking for that over Jhol, over For You. So I think that sort of gave me confidence कि यार अगर already मैंने Jhol को one up तो नहीं कर सकते आप इतने बड़े गाने को, but मैंने इतना एक like I've given another song to my set list, to my fans that they want to hear at a show. So I think I can keep doing it again and again.
Being in the audience, there was more energy for Savera than there was for Jhol. Which you're absolutely right. The connection there.
There was like, actually. And this was strangely enough, except for like maybe like DC or Chicago, every other city, the loudest song on almost every city, every stop on the tour was For You.
Yeah.
So that was really nice to know. Okay. I think a lot of it also has to do with maybe कि थोड़ी सी उसमें English भी है, तो थोड़ा सा वो भी एक angle है. But either way, like that was so that these are all like good signs to know. Okay, like this is not a one-hit wonder situation, and also because it's not like Jhol brought me onto the map for a lot of people, but people who sort of know that I've been doing this for a while now. So I've made my peace with it.
अपने आप को तुम challenge कैसे करते हो? Like it might be like very easy for you if you have a template of अगर Savera चल रहा है, I can just make a song like Savera and just keep making these back-to-back hits and people won't even know.
Because I can't make another song like Savera. It doesn't really work that way. Like songwriting.
Walk us through. How does it work?
I can make you a song right now. Like let's say like हमको YouTube पे कोई beat ढूंढ लेते हैं या गिटार आप लोग मुझे पकड़ा दो, मैं कुछ 4 कॉर्ड्स बजाऊंगा उस पे और मैं कुछ लिखना शुरू कर दूंगा और मैं आपको लिख दूंगा एक गाना अभी आधे घंटे में बैठ के.
बना तुम्हारे लिए
पैसों पे डिपेंड करेगा बस. लेकिन
we'll pay you in wishes. How about that?
Pay me in like fades. क्या कहने लगा था यार, बात
chords
हाँ, तो chord shorts अगर हो तो मैं कुछ लिख लूंगा. अब वो ये नहीं पता कि अच्छा है कि नहीं. तो वो एक बड़ी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल सी चीज है. लाइक समटाइम्स आप बस कुछ लिख रहे होते हो और आपको लिखते हुए ही फील हो रहा होता है कि वाओ दिस इज रियली गुड, दिस इज रियली गुड, बट आई कांट रिक्रिएट सॉन्ग्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई नो हाउ टू मेक अ सवेरा. या आई कैन पिक आउट लाइक सम टेक्निकल स्ट्रक्चरल थिंग्स कि यार अच्छा फर्स्ट वर्स ऐसा है, फिर प्री कोरस ऐसा है, कोरस ऐसा है, सेकंड वर्स में थोड़ा रैपी सा वर्स है, या ये है या वो है, तो आई कैन सॉर्ट ऑफ टेक्निकली डू दैट, but it won't work. With like Jhol and Savera are like very different songs, structurally, language wise, in every sort of like aspect.
Yeah.
So I like to follow my ears. Like when I'm writing something, it's all about मैंने उस वक्त एक ऐसी चीज बनानी है जो मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगे. अगर मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है तो that means कि probably लोगों को भी अच्छा लगेगा ही. Like मतलब क्योंकि मैं कितना को डिफरेंट हूँ, unless मैं कोई एक्सपेरिमेंटल म्यूजिक बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ जो कि मैं नहीं बनाने की कोशिश
Yeah.
कर रहा. I just want to make catchy songs.
Yeah, at this time, let's also break our fast.
Yeah.
Time हो गया. पानी ला दो तुम.
Hmm.
खजूर ला दो. We'll do it right on the pod
Let's go.
at the same time. मजा आ रहा है? Is this good?
Yeah,
Okay,
bro.
Good. I'm glad. 'Cause
I
we did-
hope mazes.
yes. Shout out to Behram, by the way. He's mashallah, he just became a dad.
What a guy, bro.
What a guy. Love him.
Love you, bro.
We did a lot of research for this podcast. So we listened to the Pro Sports one. We listened to a lot of Qazi Akbar, and I feel like I know you more than you even think that I do. There are some questions that I'm like, मुझे पता ही क्या बोलने वाला है. Is that weird? Having that kind of like,
I would say for keeping me entertained,
Yeah.
don't ask me questions that I've already answered on podcasts.
Okay.
Let's
Yeah.
talk about some random. Let's go off notes और कोई गपशप लगाते हैं Joe Rogan style.
Joe Rogan style.
क्योंकि I feel like वही कहानी बार-बार सुना के ये इस टाइम पे ये क्या था. Unless you have some really cool, नहीं, I'm good. Unless you have some really like cool questions, like मतलब
We have
some
some really-
different questions. If it's rinse and repeat, though.
But we have some really cool questions from our patrons, which we'll take in the end. They have
वो
some
तो
really nice
बनता है.
ones. वो तो
Love
बनता
you.
है. Love you, patrons. Yes. They're the Johnny's.
Love you. Johnny's of the
Johnny's
podcast.
of the podcast. Yes. Okay.
Bottle नीचे रख दो. Sponsored नहीं.
क्यों यार?
Yeah,
ऐसे-
no free shipping, no free marketing, bro. No free shipping and no free marketing. So there's a lot of cricketers who also sing. Like Abdullah Shafiq sings, Azam plays the guitar, Saad Masood sings, Naseem Shah sings.
He sang on this mic.
He sang on this mic actually, this same mic that's in front of me. Do you think that a cricket music collab, what do you think about that? Maybe getting Naseem on a track. I'm serious about this, by the way. This is a
Are
million
you
dollar
like
idea.
working for Pepsi or something, like trying to
Maybe under the table.
test these questions out or something? यार पता नहीं bro, मतलब हो सकता है अच्छा हो कुछ. गाने पे क्यों फिर किसी म्यूजिशियन से किसी अगले मैच में ओवर भी करवाओ कोई इस तरह का भी.
You know what I would love is a celebrity cricket match. I know they happen, but they're so like dodgy. This is यार वो YouTube पे नहीं होते those like who are those
Like a basketball-
KSI people who do those
Football
massive
वाले
charity
charity
football
matches.
games. उस तरीके से हो like Yarn City versus Karachi agenda, man. Let's make it happen. And then you can have a few players in there as well, like an all-star game.
हाँ,
That would be fun.
that would be fun.
Would you be interested in one of those?
Sure, why not? If there's good sponsors involved.
हर चीज ना तुम्हारी sponsorship से शुरू होके इस वहीं पे खत्म क्यों हो रही है?
I'm in the land of the free.
In the home of the brave. No,
Yes.
that's below us.
चलो एक ही बात आसपास.
जिस तरह कभी होता है ना बैट्समैन होते हैं out of form. Have you ever been like out of writing? Like
Oh,
at
yeah,
writer's
yeah.
block.
हाँ राइटर्स ब्लॉक. अगर मैं कभी राइटर्स ब्लॉक में हुआ हूँ तो इट्स मोस्टली लाइक लेजीनेस, क्योंकि लाइक आई सेड कि लाइक अगर मैं बैठ के लिखना हो तो आई कैन राइट यू समथिंग, इट जस्ट माइट नॉट बी ग्रेट. सो देन व्हेन यूर लाइक व्हेन यू ट्राइड अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स टू राइट समथिंग एंड हैवंट रियली वाइब्ड विद इट, तो देन यू काइंड ऑफ गो इनटू दिस फेज वेयर यूर लाइक यू नो व्हाट, लाइक मैंने नहीं अभी थोड़ी देर ये करना है, मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. फिर आप वो नहीं करते, तो मेरे लिए वो होता है राइटर्स ब्लॉक. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल I put out this album Thikana in August, and it's like a 13-song album. So that's a lot of songs. So I kind of got over this like backlog of, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा कोई गाना निकालता था और अभी भी इतने सारे पड़े हुए होते थे, तो नया गाना लिखता तो नया गाने को निकलने में अच्छा खासा टाइम लग रहा था. तो वो बैकलॉग खत्म हुआ, तो for the first time in my life I was sort of in a phase where I didn't have the next songs. वरना मुझे हमेशा पता होता था कि अगले गाने क्या हैं मेरे पास पड़े हुए. And I wasn't really actively writing because we were doing lots of shows back home, and then I had this tour, so I was kind of like giving myself some time off. But ever since I've been here, like I've been doing studio sessions with lots of producers who are based here. So I've started writing again, and now I'm enjoying the things that I'm writing. So it depends on how you look at it, kind of, I think, more.
Is the album dead?
The what?
Is the album dead?
Like as a format?
Yeah.
Yeah. Commercially तो हाँ bro, मतलब कोई भी नहीं सुनता. I think मतलब 3-4 लोग ही हैं पाकिस्तान में जो अगर एल्बम निकालें तो हो सकता है कि लोग सुने. मतलब उसके अलावा अगर कोई सुनेगा भी उनके एल्बम्स में एक दो गाने ही फटते हैं. लाइक उस तरह से थिंक जनरली लॉन्ग फॉर्म का नहीं, मतलब थोड़ा वो एक अपनी ऑडियंस होती है लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट की, बट जनरली तो लोगों को होता है कि एक गाना हो. आई फील लाइक एल्बम्स आर एक्सपेंसिव टू मेक. लाइक एक टाइम पे इट मेड सेंस कि आप एक ही टाइम पे लाइक काफ़ी सारे गाने निकाल दो, बिकॉज वो आप एक ही सीडी पे इतने सारे गाने निकाल रहे हो रादर देन एक गाना निकाल रहे हो, तो कॉस्ट वाइज भी थोड़ा एफिशिएंट था. अब आई फील लाइक अगर आप गाने 1 by 1 निकाल रहे हो तो यू गेट मोर टाइम इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक मार्केटिंग, एंड लाइक उस सेंस में आप थोड़ा सा उसको हर गाने को थोड़ी स्पेस दे रहे हो to like breathe. But as a musician, as someone who listens to music and like just loves listening to albums, I think every artist sort of makes albums because they want to make albums, but not to koi financial.
So when you made Thikana, for example, was that like a concept in your head? Okay, this is going to be the 13 songs that are going to be in this label like this, in this track order? Or were you like already had these songs that had this story that fit in?
I had songs that like, so basically Thikana, the title song, Doob, Main Tera, Tarane, these 4 songs, I feel like I'm missing one, but these 4 songs are songs that I wrote in 2017 when I started writing, making songs 2018 2017 time. उस टाइम के ये गाने हैं जो मेरे पास तब से पड़े हुए थे, that we were like saving for a rainy day, कि भाई कभी किसी दिन बिल्कुल दुकान बंद हो रही हो ना तो ये निकाल देंगे ताकि कुछ ना कुछ तो चल रहा हो. फिर जब झोल का ये सारा हुआ तो we sort of like came to this walk, कि why save it for a rainy day, why not just try to double down on this. So that's why the album is also called Thikana, because Thikana आपकी destination होती है या शेल्टर होता है. मेरे लिए ये पूरी डेस्टिनेशन और शेल्टर को ढूंढना हैज बीन अ फुल सर्कल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, कि एंड में आके मैंने वही गाने निकाले हैं जहाँ जो मैंने शुरू में लिखे थे. सो दैट वाज दिस लाइक वेग सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट दैट आई हैड फॉर द एल्बम. इट्स नॉट अ कॉन्सेप्ट एल्बम दो, इट्स जस्ट अ कलेक्शन ऑफ सॉन्ग्स, and it's just a collection of songs that I've tried to give the representation of pop music from me. Like this is my iteration of it. उस तरह से कि like मैं इस तरह से बनाना चाहूँ, और these are the different sides like of my music. उस तरह से there's still a lot more that I plan on showing, but this had like little bits and pieces of everything that I've done so far, sort of thing.
I personally love an album like Harry Styles just released his album. I'm very excited to dive into that because I feel like he is a very like forward-thinking artist. वो तेरा गाना अगर फेंकेगा तो I know that these are the things he wants to tell me as an artist. Same thing when Thikane came out. Same thing when Anjum dropped his albums.
I also think like we grew up in a time where Atif had Jalpari.
Yes.
And then there was
Meri Kahani,
Masti by Ali Zafar. So we grew up in the album era of
Bilkul.
Strings ke albums thi.
Yes. And that I felt like those were like artists trying to tell us something in their whole catalog. Like yes, singles and one songs and stuff like that are fun in the moment, but when I listen to Thikana from front and back, I'm like, oh, this is what Manu is telling me right now. This is where he is in this life, and this is where like I will join him next when he drops the next album. This is why I feel like I'm glad you gave me your insight on that. मुझे बस डर ये है कि album अगर मर गई ना, if it's dead on arrival, then I won't get that insight into the artist anymore.
यार मर तो गई है.
Yeah.
तो अब आर्टिस्ट पे है कि आपका फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट एक ऐसा आर्टिस्ट है जो कि एल्बम्स बनाना चाहता है कि नहीं बनाना चाहता. आई थिंक उस पे ही है, क्योंकि लोग.
What about you?
Me?
Yeah.
I personally don't want to do an album for some time.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean that I don't want to do albums. I just don't at least let me rephrase that. I don't want to do another pop album
Okay.
for a while. If I do an album, maybe it'll be like some experimental shit, some hip hop shit. I don't know what it'll be. But making an album is fun. It's very rewarding, but it's a huge task, and it costs a lot of money. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of effort, and I'm not running away from like putting in time and effort. But when compared to if I'm releasing like 13 songs individually, this will like probably take me 2 years to do. So it's like मैंने वो gratification भी ना थोड़ी सी spread out की हुई है कि यार कहीं एक बीच में कहीं मिल भी गई, इधर है कि bro this is it, scene on है या नहीं है. I don't like being put in that situation
Okay.
for myself as
Yeah.
well. And I think I don't want to do an album right now because I don't have anything to say more or any new types of like pop. If I make another pop album, it's probably gonna end up sounding pretty similar to
Yeah.
Thikana, because how long has it even been? Like,
Yeah.
मतलब वही होंगे.
That's
मैं
true.
हूँ तो मैं वही ना. Like एक point पे I'll run out of words and won't run out of melodies, but I'll run out of the same romantic like scenarios to paint and all of that. So
Ed
it's
Sheeran often takes like time off between albums to like go out there, live life, experience things, then comes back and writes new stuff.
I think it's different when like, so you can like I can be making songs every day, but that doesn't mean that I'm working on an album. Like that's when you're like zoned in with this, tied into this one project, these one set of songs, and like living and breathing in that like that design identity. तो ये तो वो आप फिर एक zone में चले जाते हो, वो एक project होता है. फिर गाने बनाना तो मतलब उस सेंस में मैं कह सकता हूँ I'm working on my next album even though I'm actually just writing the next songs. Like so I think वो थोड़ा सा एक difference है उस सेंस में. But गाने शाने तो हर वक्त हर भी.
What are your influences? Because I'm a little, when I'm listening to your music, if I'm listening to Savera, it's more like pop music. But I'm listening to your older stuff, it's more hip hop music. Then I'm listening to Doob, it's more acoustic, folky music. So like, what are you actually tapped into? Like, who are you listening to?
All of those things. Like I grew up listening to Atif Aslam, grew up listening to A.R. Rahman, then parents and family used to listen to a lot of like old Bollywood music like Kishore, Mohammed Rafi, Lata, ये वो, तो वो सब कुछ भी है database में downloaded. और फिर
Where does the hip hop come in?
इंग्लिश, फिर उससे पहले इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में था तो रॉक म्यूजिक का भी एक सीन था. फिर वो लाइक वो सुनना शुरू किया. फिर लाइक OA लेवल्स के टाइम पे लाइक हिप हॉप डिस्कवर किया. then got obsessed with that, like, and that's something that like that's a side of my music that I feel like I still haven't really shown properly, and that's something that I personally really enjoy. Because if you're just making pop songs and romantic songs again and again, it's really boring. Like you need something कि भाई कभी खुशी भी फील हो मुझे, मतलब मैं बस रुला रहा हूँ स्टेज पे भी, बस इस तरह हो रहे हैं सब, कहीं कुछ छलांगे चलूंगे कुछ थोड़ा. तो that's where the hip hop that's when I started listening to that. A levels, university. फिर so like yeah, that's where all of the influences come from. All of the production on a lot of songs that aren't even pop, the production is all hip hop, most of it. There's a lot of Afrobeat production on this album.
Yeah.
There's some, like you said, soft rock or sort of like old school Nuri strings type songs. So सवाल क्या था?
सवाल आपने जवाब दे दिया.
Okay, thank you.
तुम्हारे लिए अब लाहौर में बाहर निकलने कैसा? Like, do you get stormed by fans? Do you get asked for selfies often?
I get asked for selfies. I wouldn't say like I get stormed by fans. Like sometimes something will happen. There's like a large group of people or something. तो एकदम से like there will be moments when I'm looking at my friends like मुझे बचा लो इधर से. लेकिन mostly generally मतलब होता है like when I go out, so people do come up to meet and everything or say hi, or you can. The worst is when you can just see people staring at you and you know that they know, and like there's this weird energy and you're like, bro, आगे मिल लो या ना मिलो, इस दूर से घूर रहे हो, मतलब ये क्या अजीब
Do you
सी
get the secret
dynamic
phone
है.
छुपके से recording?
नहीं छुप के रिकॉर्डिंग भी नहीं, बस लाइक घूर रहा है मुझे, ब्रो मतलब
तू क्यों फेमस है? इसलिए
हो नहीं भी हूँ तो ना देख
ना
मेरी तरफ,
देखो,
तू
हाँ.
क्यों देख रहा है. लेकिन इट्स नॉट लाइक ओ मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकता या मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, बट थोड़ा सा देख के भी करना पड़ती है फिर कि आपको लाइफ. इधर मेरी बाय द वे हफल पफ का कौन फैन है बॉस?
इसको मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई, क्रिकेट पॉडकास्ट है, तुमने क्यों लगाया भाई?
Bro,
यार?
this is-
ये ब्लीप कर देना. बट
हो गए दो cuts. Bro, I only said this. I only put this here because I was like, यार थोड़ा सा ना अपनी personality भी show होनी चाहिए podcast पे. I guess it's a cricket podcast.
Hufflepuff
Yeah,
का
bro.
तो
Like I'm a
shit,
huge Harry
yeah.
Potter fan. Like
Same, bro. But really, bro.
yeah, but that's
First
Pottermore
person
किया.
who's like, हाँ.
तो Pottermore पे
तो
Hufflepuff आया
bro,
था मेरा 3
मेरा
दफा.
भी आया था, but मैं नहीं मानता, bro.
Slytherin.
नहीं, तो
आप
huge-
sorting hat से बोल
आप
सकते हो ना.
एक बार आपका Hufflepuff आया था.
हाँ,
See,
मेरा
I-
Ravenclaw आया था.
I believe it.
Ravenclaw is
But
still
because
better than Hufflepuff,
you don't
bro.
give me a Gryffindor vibe nor a Slytherin
Why
vibe.
not Gryffindor?
नहीं तू पढ़ाकू बच्चा
How
तो नहीं
you
है
don't know me
Not
well
even
enough.
noble,
Noble, brave.
brave. Nah. I see because the creative people are mostly Hufflepuff Ravenclaws that I've seen. I feel like that. I've
Who
seen
was
that.
creative in that whole house?
Look, they were underrepresented firstly, but both of them were quite underrepresented because Gryffindor
तो
and
भाई
Slytherin
जवाब दो
got
ना
the-
आप मुझे अपनी.
Oh, the prequels में the guy with the main guy was Hufflepuff in the prequel movies. Have you seen those?
Which prequel movies?
The Harry Potter
Fantastic
prequel movie.
Beasts.
The Fantastic Beasts
Okay.
mein, the main guy was Hufflepuff and he was extremely creative. Boom.
Was it?
Mike, where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Wasn't Hufflepuff like Helga Hufflepuff?
Helga
or
Hufflepuff
something?
की थी, yes.
तो बंदी थी.
बंदी थी, तो
तो बंदा कहाँ से आ गया?
the Helga Hufflepuff was the house की
हाँ,
like person,
आंटी थी.
but the Fantastic Beasts का main character Newt Scamander was Hufflepuff by
तो वो
house.
कोई इतना cool character तो नहीं
नहीं,
था, bro.
आपने बंदा बोला creative, मैंने आपको दे दिया.
Creative तो नहीं था वो.
He was
nerd
working with
था,
animals
bro.
all the time,
That's
like-
not creative. That's
I
being an animal
respectfully
lover.
disagree with you.
Yeah, that's being an animal lover, but that's
No,
not being creative. Like
there-
he's not. What is he creating?
Okay.
He's just
He
looking
cre-
after animals.
Fair enough, but there was other people as well. I mean,
Yes,
दिमाग में-
that's the only
you
thing he's
have put me
creating.
on the spot right now, and I will get back to you. But
There's no getting back to me on this. There's no
I just think
logical, rational reason that anyone would proudly, with their own like sort of willingly be like, I'm proud Hufflepuff.
the Hufflepuffness that
Even people who are actually in Hufflepuff wouldn't do that, bro.
Cedric Diggory was Hufflepuff. Bichara laid his life down.
That was Ravenclaw, I think.
He was Hufflepuff
Really?
100%.
Okay. But
Laid his life down for the cause.
guess what happened to him, bro?
I
That's
did
what
not
happens.
think that I was going to get schooled on Hufflepuff today, but I'll get back to you on that.
Roasted.
Proper
Have you
roasted,
been to the
yeah.
Harry Potter studios in the UK?
यार हाँ बड़ा underwhelming था.
Really?
हाँ.
I had a great time.
अच्छा.
The one in Watford, right? Why
We had
didn't you like it?
the butterbeer halal wali. and then-
Butterbeer पी थी इतनी मीठी थी
मीठी
bro.
I love sweet drinks.
दो
Bro,
सिप लिए
चढ़
थे
गया
वो
था मुझ पे तो।
चिपचिपा हो गया था लग रहा था पता नहीं उफ अल्लाह गंदी शीरे से भरी हुई वो यार बस पता नहीं ब्रो मुझे नहीं इतनी वाइब आई थी मतलब सही ये सेट्स वगैरह लगे हुए थे
Yeah.
कूल मुझे लगा हॉगवर्ट्स लेके जाओ मुझे
तुम
bro.
चाह रहे थे कि एमा वाटसन तुम्हें आगे टोर दे.
नहीं मैं चाह रहा था मैं कासल जाऊं मैं असल में मैंने कासल जाना है
Oh, that's in Florida, I believe.
नो अच्छा वो भी
Yeah,
है
that's
Florida.
yeah, they have a proper.
No, I want to go to Scotland, like to the actual.
Oh,
Okay,
go to
right,
Edinburgh,
right.
old city. That's
Yeah,
it.
उधर गया
चार
हूँ,
दस
but like,
है इनविजिबल क्लोक को फिर ये घूमता रहे वहां पे.
bro, क्या था उधर अच्छा?
If you're a huge fan of the movies, which I was,
Same. I
I've
grew
seen
up.
them every Christmas time, and I was like, bro, the sets, you're like basically in the Diagon Alley seat, like the streets, and you're just roaming around the sets, and you see how the things made. I'm also a really huge nerd in like movie production and all that. कि बना कैसे?
I think that's probably why you.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए like I feel like
Also
sets
Hufflepuff
वगैरह
nerd.
मैं देखता रहता हूँ मतलब with work like shoots
Yeah.
वगैरह वो हो रहा so it wasn't like a dreamy उस तरह की एक चीज कि यार wow like and बस थोड़ा underwhelming था because I think I'm such a huge fan कि it didn't hit the.
But I'm just so happy that you have said on record that Pottermore so did you in Hufflepuff.
I think
And
it was
you denied.
Ravenclaw. I think it was Ravenclaw.
I mean,
Pretty
get a test.
sure. Pretty sure.
I'll get you the test right now.
करो.
ये क्लिप कटेगी मानो इज
Hufflepuff.
सोचो एंड में स्लिदरिन निकलूं.
No, yeah, it takes a long time, so I won't do it right now. But we'll get that
देखा?
sorted out.
Because I'm a Gryffindor, bro.
नहीं है तू Gryffindor यार.
इतने मेरे में bravery है कि मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हूँ मैं.
ये तो Slytherin वाली vibe है.
नहीं मैं evil conniving नहीं हूँ.
I have some Patreon questions here. These are nice. You'll enjoy these. Adam asked, biggest heartbreak as a Pakistan fan, if you have one. If you have one, I have like 7. Biggest heartbreak. Hmm.
USA, Pak USA. 2024.
Your energy completely changed, man. Feel like you're going down.
2007 final.
Oh shit. Damn. The scoop.
वो बच्चा था तब, क्या पता दर्द क्या होता है. और क्या हो सकता है. Bro, हर साल कुछ होता है. Adam भाई, sorry, like every year there's something new, man. Like I can't choose anything. I'm so like मर गया हूँ
I
मैं.
just feel like you
सवाल
died in
के
front of me.
बाद.
Okay, here's a good one. Muhammad Ammar asks, which Pakistani musician shut the, which Pakistani music
मैंने नहीं कहा था इस तरह.
past or present would have made a great cricketer had they chosen a different path in life? We mentioned Atif on the podcast a little bit. Somebody else. I know Ali Zafar also plays some cricket.
Mustafa Zahid is apparently really good at cricket.
Really?
Fahad
Yeah.
Mustafa is also very good.
Not a musician.
Asim Azhar.
Asim
also-
Azhar is
also.
really good. I've seen him firsthand. He's really
What
good.
does he do? What does he play?
I think batsman भी है. Bowling नहीं कराता, or maybe कराता है, but मैंने batting ही देखी. Really,
Yeah.
really good.
Asim Azhar, Karachi Agenda.
Crazy crap, but Mustafa Zahid once brought Abdullah Shafiq on stage to sing one of his songs.
This is what you guys want me to
Yes,
do.
I
now.
want
This
you
is
to
what
do.
you're
Naseem Shah
pitching
on.
this whole podcast. It started from, how do you feel about these cricket and
You can
musician
sing.
collabs?
Are you boys with any cricketers?
यार आजम से मेरी दोस्ती है.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा
But Azam is different. Like whenever we hang out with him, it'd be hard to talk about cricket. He's just like a nice guy.
Yeah. I don't think I'm nice. और तो किसी से कोई interaction भी नहीं हुआ कभी
Yeah.
ज़्यादा.
Like Shadab and Asim Azhar are tight.
मैंने ना म्यूजिक में शुरू में like not all of them but like I met some of my idols and then I sort of learned, and this doesn't apply to the people that I've mentioned, but like a lot of them that I've met I've learned very early on कि बेहतर होता है कि ना ही मिलो लोगों से ताकि आप बस disappoint ना हो. तो फिर इसीलिए भी मैंने फिर like किसी से नहीं मिला उसके बाद से, क्रिकेटर से भी, कि हो सकता है मेरे दिमाग में वो एक वो हो
Yeah.
और फिर वो मुझे लिफ्ट ना कराए तो मैं सैड हो जाऊंगा.
That has happened to me recently, and I won't name names. I'll tell you after.
चलो.
Zain Ali asks, if you could add one Pakistani player from the 90s or 2000s to the current team, who would it be? I feel like the whole 90s team, hopefully, if they come back.
90s का यार मैंने देखा ही नहीं. मैं क्या 2 साल का था, मतलब मुझे क्या याद.
Highlights, bro.
नहीं bro, नहीं इस तरह नहीं मैं कर सकता.
I heard Kumail Nanjiani on a podcast say that during his...
Yeah, I heard you guys. He
How about-
betrayed you
how about
guys.
we,
No, he's coming on the pod.
We name one
He's
player.
coming.
Yeah. वो
अच्छा.
बाद में बताएंगे. We'll give you logistics. But he
Let's-
said...
Guys, Kumail Nanjiani is coming on the podcast, by the way.
Cut whatever.
Heard it first here, bro.
By the time this comes out, I think that'll already be shot. He said on the podcast that on tour, he went back and watched every single ball of the 92 World Cup on YouTube.
बड़ा टाइम है कुमैल भाई के पास.
देख ले यार. Dedication.
नहीं ब्रो, मेरा इतना वो नहीं है. मेरा ख्याल है मे बी लाइक शाहिद अफरीदी.
Have you met Shahid Afridi?
No.
Bro, aura.
और दूर से
It
देखा
feels
है.
like you don't want to meet him now.
Don't want to meet anyone, bro. I'm good on my own at home. Maybe Shoaib Akhtar, because again,
Brand.
aura, bro.
Who would
It's
you
seen
bring
that.
back?
I would bring back Vaz. I think
Vaz.
Wasim Akram in this team would absolutely
I
like...
don't remember a lot of Waz though.
I don't remember. I obviously have to go back and watch his clips. मैंने भी live नहीं देखा था.
तो फिर तो ना हुआ ना मजा. ये तो bro, ये तो
Okay, here. A cop-out answer. I'll give you a real answer. Abdul Razak.
I was gonna say Razak as well.
I will bring back Razak in a heartbeat.
Saeed Ajmal.
Saeed Ajmal. Yes.
जिस तरह death
Really
bowling
fun to watch, yeah.
Umar Gul would have been good. Death bowling उसकी Yorkers.
Yeah.
Miss that these
But I
days.
think शायद अफरीदी से ज्यादा MVP player नहीं है. Like,
Yeah.
मतलब and mainly बेशक bowling के लिए इस्तेमाल कर, like Rashid Khan type figure.
Can I give you a
basically.
hot take on Shahid Afridi that I said to Usman Samudi on the podcast as well? In my at least top 15, if not top 11 all-time Pakistan test, Shahid Afridi is the opener. His average is 36, his strike rate is over 100, and he has 5 centuries and 8
Strike rate is
50s.
87.
Chalo, 87 in tests.
वो टेस्ट में भी 30 है.
And he
watch
has
him.
5 centuries and 8 50s in 27 innings. That's my hot take.
You heard it here first. Exclusive.
Exclusive.
What the hell? Why are you guys roasted? Why am I getting roasted here? This is crazy. Pehle Hufflepuff, now Lala. I thought we were on the same team. Okay. Is there anything that we have not mentioned or not talked about that you want to talk about?
Yeah, as a fan, what do you think? How can we fix Pakistan cricket? How can we make this into a better team?
Oy.
मुझे क्या पता ब्रो, मैं
Because you
क्या,
watch football as well, तुम देखते हो यार यहाँ पे इस तरह हो रहा है, maybe cricket में we can do this as well.
I think cricket है ही एक इतनी नॉन स्पोर्ट है, like there's no like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like a real sport. Like there's no main one governing body that actually has power over shit. And like, I feel like कोई भी sport चलने के लिए you need like this international circuit and then this franchise circuit, and then you can't have a franchise circuit, and the only way to do that is to have like एक Pakistan Premier League हो, एक India Premier League हो, और वहाँ पे प्लेयर्स एक्चुअली वही उन्हीं फ्रेंचाइजेस के एक ही सीजन हो, बेसिकली सारी टीम्स का जो फॉलो हो, जिस तरह से मतलब होता है यूरोप में होता है जिस तरह से, बट वो पॉसिबल नहीं है करना, तो बस कुछ नहीं हो सकता क्रिकेट का।
So you've tapped out of cricket for a while.
ये तो मैंने घंटा पहले बोला
Unless
था।
कि कोई anthem आ जाए।
फिर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकता। एंथम हाँ, अगर आ जाए तो थोड़ी देर के लिए।
What can Pakistan cricket do to bring you back? Because you I feel like represent majority of the fan base right now, and I get it. I mean, मेरा बेचारा काम है
Because
cricket
I'm
watch
still
में.
gonna watch it. I'm still gonna watch your guys' podcast.
वो तो because you
Pro
love us.
Sports podcast.
You love
मैं
them
तो
too.
यही करूँगा, मतलब I love you guys, but I'm also have a lot of free time available to myself. So I don't know, bro. Don't fix cricket. How about that?
Don't fix cricket.
Invest in music venues.
हमारे लिए
Yeah.
actually it works well if Pakistan loses, because when Pakistan loses we get a
You
lot
get
of
more
views.
traction.
Bro, we get like our
I'm
AdSense
aware.
doubles.
I've seen your show before, guys.
I mean, I don't like that aspect of this job, honestly.
Why, bro? You get
नहीं
like
यार.
paid to rant,
Bro,
bro.
2023 se we've been doing this podcast on a regular basis, right? And not once have we been able to like talk about Pakistan in the light that we want. And that sucks because you have to come on camera every single
No,
time
but like,
and you have to shit on your team.
मुझे बताओ, unless they win all World Cups, defeat, become World Test Championship, become World Cup of all formats, आप लोग खुश नहीं होगे।
No.
वो फाइनल में पहुंच जाते हैं, इंग्लैंड को टेस्ट सीरीज रही थी अभी, ये सब कुछ हो रहा है ब्रो, ये बहुत है, इससे ज्यादा ना मांगो। पूरी कितनी कंट्रीज हैं जो कि फीफा वर्ल्ड कप खेलती हैं, कितनी सारी
Yeah,
हैं।
लेकिन FIFA is a global sport. Cricket 15 टीमें खेलती हैं
वो
maximum.
15 भी ब्रो, उसमें से एक हम है, लेकिन ब्रो हम है, ये हमें लगता है हम बड़े वो हैं, बिकॉज हम इंडिया के साथ थे ना, तो हमें लगता है हम भी बड़े बब्बर शेर हैं, और हम एक जीत गए थे वो वर्ल्ड कप एक जमाने में। तो लगता है वो सीन है हमारी नेचुरल ना, एक हमें वो फील होती है, एक बर्थ राइट है हमारा कि हमने जीतना है।
No, I don't even mind losing. I don't have a problem with
तो
losing.
बस ठीक है।
The era that you're talking about, हम लोग क्या ही जीते हैं, 2009 जीते हैं, that's it. 17 तो वही 8 साल बाद आया ना, like there was a whole gap of like absolutely shitting the bed and dealing with Ahmed Shahzad every morning for the rest of your life until he retired, right? Or got kicked
तो
out.
आर्सेनल को 20 साल हो गए आई थिंक प्रीमियर
They
लीग
haven't
जीते
won the
हुए,
league.
लाइक
Exactly.
तो ठीक है, वो
ठीक है,
आर्सेनल के साथ अगर हो सकते तो पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम के साथ भी हो सकता है।
I get it.
Like-
I totally get it. It's just like the manner of defeat now, especially since we've been like quote unquote professional podcasters or whatever. It's just like it's tough.
It's I think the most frustrating thing is the same shit over
It's-
and over
it's
again.
the
It's like
same
I've seen this before, I've seen this before, I've seen this before, I've seen this
हम भी
before.
podcast पे वही बात करके थक गए 3 साल से।
हाँ,
अब
I'm
वही
sure,
podcast उठा
like,
के repeat पे सुनो.
उस सेंस में आई एम श्योर ये बहुत अनोइंग जॉब होगी। एक ही बात आप लोगों को भी यही हो रहा होगा कि हर एपिसोड मतलब मैं कोई कॉपी पेस्ट भी कर दूं, किसी को पता भी ना चले।
The most recent India defeat, we said this. Like you can go back and listen to any other podcast that we've done, and you will find the same points.
तो
same talking
पाकिस्तान
points.
इंडिया तो अब देखने का मजा ही नहीं आता ब्रो, जो इतनी पॉलिटिक्स और
Yeah.
बस तब चिढ़ती हो देख के, मतलब
Yeah. The Pakistan India thing has gone very sour.
पहले तब चिढ़ती थी कि हम हारेंगे,
Yeah.
अब बस और वजह से भी तब चिढ़, एक अजीब सी एक एनर्जी होती है, just like bro,
I
I
totally
don't
agree.
need this energy in my life.
I think the Asia Cup really like turned things around for us. Like even the जो भी drama हुआ है in the World Cup for Pakistan boycotting the India game, and then like what the hell was that? Like all of that was, I don't know. It's not the sport that I grew up with, and that's not the sport that
And as
want to
always,
pass on.
बेचारा बांग्लादेश।
as always.
हम आए थे उनके सपोर्ट में।
जब जा रहे ODI सीरीज खेलने
जा रहे हैं हम लोग, पहुंचे हुए लड़के।
पहुंचे हुए. Anything that you want to end the podcast on like a positive note? I feel like we've ending it on a downer, and I don't want people to be like,
I
I'm
think we
depressed.
should end it on a downer. Let's stay
What's one of your songs
realistic
you would
and
dedicate to the Pakistan team?
Yes. Melancholic नहीं बोलना. We've already done it. Doob.
डूब
Doob.
डूब चुका
डूब चुका.
रानी
Doob. Rani doob
डूब
चुका.
चुका
Anyways, Manu, I think this is a good place to end the podcast. Thank you so much for taking the time out and coming
Thank you
out.
for having
Abhi
me, guys.
रात जब आए, we have to go out and
आगे
eat.
steak shake खाएंगे,
Steak shake
भाई
खाएंगे.
लोग.
वैसे, by the way, हमारी reservation को cancel हुए आधा घंटा हो गया. We have to rebook. So we'll try that. बातें लंबी हो गई ना
हाँ,
हमारी.
गप्पे लग गई.
गप्पे लग गई. But thank you for coming in all the way here.
Thank you, guys.
Hopefully next time you're in Toronto again, we can host you again.
Let's go,
Take you
bro,
out.
for sure.
Done it?
All it takes is a fade.
All it takes is a fade. Rahul bhai to book ho gaye for the next 10 years. All right.